Here we're at the Richmond Ferry. Wow, what a trip. So, about 4 years ago, they started having a ferry from Richmond to the other parts of the San Francisco Bay Area. And the good thing is that they have very regular trips there and back. And it's a wonderful, well, it's a mini cruise, really, if you think about it. And then, you can drink and you can eat in there. A lot of people go to different parts of the bay and they'll just sort of hang out. It's a mini cruise and absolutely fun, enjoyable to do. Encourage you to do it. We're at the Ford Assembly Plant in Richmond, California, basically right here by the bay. It was a key figure in World War II. The assembly plant is right here. In fact, 1989, the Ora Prima earthquake devastated the building. It was, in all essence, abandoned. About 2004, they started renovating the building, and they fix it up today, where it's actually called the Pavillion, and they have many events here.